Alright everyone, making a quick video because I just had a little crisis trying to unlink one of my YouTube accounts. If you're like me, say you're getting into YouTube, trying to learn how to edit or whatever, and you make a video through DaVinci, say you link your YouTube account and it's supposed to automatically upload, but it keeps not working because you have two accounts. And it keeps uploading to that first account that you don't use, it's not your actual account. There's no customizability. How do you fix this? I've tried to find it everywhere. They do not have it, but lucky for you, I figured it out. So first, you're going to go to your YouTube channel. Just go to the YouTube Studio. So you're going to go to YouTube Studio, then you're going to go to Settings, go to your channel, Advanced Features, Manage the YouTube account. And then you'd think it would be add or manage, channel status or whatever, but it's actually these advanced settings here. And you're not going to delete it. It's not going to delete it. It's still going to be there. What you're going to do is you're going to click Move Channel. And then when you move it, make sure you're on the one that you want to keep, and then you're going to move it, and it's going to, you click on the other one. That's kind of annoying in there and in the way. It'll replace it, so you got to know that it'll delete it for good, but it'll replace it, and now you only have one account. Like, see, I have just one account here. I can't switch back to the one I had. That's the only way I can do it now. Everything else is out of date. Back when you could just manage your accounts easily, there was a button for it, but internet, tech companies like to change things every so often just so you're on your toes. And I guess to get more content out of every change. But let me know if this helped. I hope this fixed anyone else's issues, and have a good day.